Okay, guys, so guess what? We are on our way to the beach.
Yay!
Yeah, so we're going to drive to the beach.
It ain't no Jamaica beach.
This beach is not going to be anything like the one we have in Jamaica.
Let's see what it looks
But
like.
we just have to work with it.
Top of work.
Yeah, man. The first stop we're going to make, we have to make a quick stop at Dollar Tree to get some disposable cups, and then after that, we'll just continue with the journey. So, listen, are you ready?
Yes.
Blessings, blessings. Oh, blessings, blessings, blessings. Oh.
We got the cups and the forks that we needed for the food. I know it's time to hit the road.
Is this virgin or not virgin? Oh, this is nice. Send it to me.
Very last day. Underwater! Wait, we're literally not even. No, we are going in the water now. Yay, we're in the tunnel. Yay! The underwater tunnel. Yay, tunnel! Well, I went there once. Oh yeah! I remember coming here a lot of times. Ready? I went in this tunnel with Riley when she was here. We are reaching to the end of the lighting tunnel. We're almost out of the tunnel. And here we go. Let's see if we can see that whatever color that is. Rain harder than a lonely, chicken macaroni, chewing macaroni, chicken rain harder than a lonely.
Yo, where did you get that song from? Where did you guys get that song?
YouTube.
Really?
Spotify.
Spotify? You know about Spotify? Alright, I can't take it no more. Stop. Okay, let's play the silent game. No talking, no sounds. Just stay silent, and whosoever make a sound or talk or anything like that is the loser. Alright? After 3, 1, 2, 3. Driving with kids in the car is not an easy thing sometimes, so you have to come up with creative ways to get some peace and quiet.
Use the second from the right lane to take exit 24, then use the left lane to take the Maryland 70 rail. Use the left lane to take the Maryland 70 rail, then use the left lane to turn left on the Maryland 70 North Road Boulevard. At the light, use the left lane to turn left onto Maryland 70 North Row Boulevard, then slide left. Take the next left.
Honestly, I heard that sound. I heard that sound. It's not me. I heard that sound.
Mile. Merge onto
I
US
heard that sound. Yo, I heard that sound.
Alright.
I heard that sound.
We hear Asia met the sun, so we know say she out. You out now. I know me out. Alright, so that's the three away. Alright, Lena and Trisha and Jaden, come on now.
Okay.
If your ear is sound flex, you know if it's send up. If somebody knows so they oh.
No, because I think someone spurt somebody make the sound it done.
No. Alright, so Asia or me out. Alright. No worries.
Asia has proven that she have to make a noise.
I win!
Woo! Go Jaden! happened to you?
Asia always losing. She have to
I
talk.
don't like it.
We're like 20 minutes away from the beach, so I just decided to get the ice from now because we don't know if we're going to have another place. I need 1 or 2 bags though.
2, yeah. Come this way, baby. Come guys.
Look, my baby is so
You know, somebody that love ice cream, so I always tell them that. Before them can hold it up.
Finally, we're almost there. Finally. What? It took a long time.
Oh, that's the parking lot right there. More likely.
Yeah, baby. Tesla.
Oh guys, look at the beach.
Yeah.
Oh, we should have one of them umbrella there.
I'll tell the tour daddy to buy one.
No,
Out.
Jaden,
left
hold on.
If you dance,
Hello? I'll stop and calm it down. Hello?
Jaden left.
Yeah, we just find a parking at the lot across the street.
Don't.
Put your water
Okay,
in
we're
the tank. Like
finally
as soon as you pull up at the beach, there's a public parking lot, and there's a lot right across the beach. So we just arrived at the beach. The squad is here. The squad is ready to go. Xavier got the cooler. We got the snacks. Jody got the snacks and the food. Jody is our chef, the real big chef in town. The kiddies, are you guys ready? Yes. These two are so happy. They're waiting for their third musketeer to show up.
Wait,
And we're gonna have a great time at the beach. A day at the beach in Maryland. Yes, this is our version of a beach.
I'm gonna find treasure right now. Auntie Charlene?
Huh?
So we go over there and do what?
Do what?
What should we do? Why are they over there?
Because I guess they want to get out the it's fun.
Oh.
Alright, let's go to them.
The beach we went to earlier, it didn't work out, so we decided that we're going to come to this other beach, which is actually closer to home instead of being out so far. And as you can see, there are many people out here already, but the difference is we have so many other things we can do here. You know, people having picnics, you know, can go to the beach, can do fishing, all kind of things. And you all know that I'm a top fisher already, but I didn't bring my rod. Okay?
Can't catch a
I didn't bring my rod.
him rod. What kind of fisherman this? A novice.
So right now we enter the beach now, so maybe next time I have to come back with the rod and show it.
To do what? To just put it in the water? You've gone out on many occasions and come back with nothing.
Yeah, because we cook it before.
You did nothing like that.
But anyway, people, don't listen to the penny
But
section.
it doesn't make any difference. You're not catching anything. So it's not like the license value nothing.
Bad mind is active.
It's not active. Charlene. We're at the new beach that we're trying out today. The crew is here. Right here. Let's go closer up.
If we can find a tree that would be nice.
It's a nice picnic area. Kids going. The kids have determined where we're going.
Yeah, so we're at the beach finally. Look at that beautiful view of the bridge. I know, guys, it's not the Key Bridge. But yeah, we here. A lot of families out here. Seems like a nice spot for a picnic. Got the playground over there. So you know Jade and them soon go take that on. But yeah.
Trying to get set up right here. We got our little blankets and towels. The kids are playing in the sand. They can't wait to go in the water. Guys, you're having fun? Casey, what are you doing? You digging for a treasure? Turn this way, let me see you. Oh, they're so cute.
I didn't realize how hard it was to stick this thing in the dirt, but trust me, I have to make it work out because the sun too hot. At the beach. First thing we all can agree on is the food before we get into any activity on the beach. After that long drive, we gotta eat. Okay, so Asia is on timeout while the boys go in the water. Her mom put her on timeout, so she just has to wait a little bit before she goes over there.
Boys determined they're on waiting on Asia. They're not on time. It's cold? Casey! Is it cold? Casey! Ah, the waves got Jaden. Hey, Asia! Sexy body Jody. Now Asia is here with mommy, Auntie Jody.
Daddy, can you open my box, please? I have something.
I'm coming.
Asia! Asia! Looks so pretty.
How about I bury you up in the sand?
Huh?
I want to bury you up in the sand.
No! I'll bury you.
I will make
Yep. Got a fire going. Gonna do some barbecue. But it's time for us to go. Time for us to head on out of here because I want to beat the traffic. And the beach was filled to capacity today. So that means there's a lot of people here. So that's our day at the beach.
Okay guys, so we just left the beach and we're heading home. It was a good day, very hot, but you don't know. We enjoy the whole vibes with the fam. And now we're heading home. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and look out for the new hot videos on the way.